Sorry, I lost power there, but one of the things that I wanted to specify is that there are certain electrodes that last number on the flux core, okay? So you might see a E71T-1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way through like 12. That number alone can tell you there are certain numbers that are gas shielded versus self shielded. So number 1 is a gas shielded flux core electrode, filler metal, and for example, a number 11 means that it's a self shielded. Also means that I'm going to change my polarity. So that last number tells us quite a bit, especially when it comes to flux core electrodes. Over by the welding shop, when you first come out of the welding shop on the blackboard, you will see I have these designations wrote down to which ones are self-shielded versus gas-shielded wires. I'll try to take a photo, get the info, and post it to a blackboard for this course as well. Submerged arc welding flux and electrode combination. So this one's where we really get crazy, okay? So here's a submerged arc welding. In this case, we're completely opposite. Our flux is first. So for example, the S indicates the flux made solely from crushed slag or a mixture of virgin flux. No S means it's virgin flux. Tensile strength in 10,000 psi increments, and this is in the flux, not the electrode. This is the flux. This indicates the heat treatment, A for as welded or for post welded. Whether you have to, as welded condition means that you weld it and you're done. If you weld it, the post weld means if you weld it, you need to come back and you need to post treat it, be able to bring it down slowly, a little bit at a time. This specifically matters in high alloy content materials such as nickel, Monel, Inconel, most of your nickel-based alloys, is specifically things with fine grain structures, stainless steel and that as well. I'm kind of going forward here. Temperature of impact for 20 foot-pounds. We get into weld inspection, we'll talk a little bit more about some of that, okay? Now the electrode classification is in this section, and again your hydrogen designator as well. We don't have a sub-arc. Maybe in the future we will. At this point we don't. However, it's a fairly interesting but boring welding procedure, or sorry, welding process. Filler wire classifications. Read through the descriptions and compare to table 2115. You'll be able to see the differences. Some pretty interesting tables here at the end. Talks about your zirconium alloys and what classifications and specifications they are, so forth. That will conclude chapter 21. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video lecture.